we gotta open the 10 vegetables.
And show it.
Go.
It's
Now I'll try.
okay, so
Yeah.
okay.
I'm gonna try this.
Yeah, apple.
Yummy!
Yummy. Mami din yummy. Tami yummy. Ito may na okra.
Tastes good. Look, can you eat this? It's so cool. Buy it.
What is it?
It's crunchy.
Tangkeng.
It tastes like strawberry.
Strawberry. This is okra but it tastes strawberry. Oh, di ba guys? Magic.
It's not ice. It's not assume. It's very good.
Yeah.
That's a banana. That's a banana.
Mama. Hey.
You ubus it and you ubus this off. Put it on the trash. You can put it on the trash and you ubus it.
Oh. So what is this pumpkin?
Okay. That's pumpkin.
Ano basa?
Ano mushroom?
Mushroom. Ha? Kasi
It is
pala
the
basa
mushroom.
yun. This
No,
one.
apple yan?
No. Dates ah.
I like the ano.
Sarap talaga
I
guys.
like the mushroom.
Ang sarap niya. Ang sarap ng ano, dates yung kinakain ko. Ito mushroom. Naman natin matamis. And also this one. Mushroom.
Sarap. Ang sarap ng mushroom. Say bye-bye. Hindi pa bye-bye.
Lahat masarap. Just calm down lang si guys na nag-order ako
Ano
nito
to?
kasi masarap talaga siya. Lalo na ako kasi, mahilig talaga ako sa
what's this?
vegetables.
Ano to?
Pag ganito lagi mo kakainin, remember, pag nagugutom ka, ito yung pang ano mo sa gutom mo, talagang solid
Ano to?
saka ano siya, healthy. Instead ng mga chicherya, ganun-ganun. So, ito na lang siya
Ano to?
guys. So, the
Ano to?
best. So guys, thank you for watching.